Oh, look at the little football player. Yeah. That'll be you in 2 years. Because that's what, pre-K?
Yes.
Yeah. Yep, 2 years, girlfriend. That'll be you. How long are they in school? What's their...
All day.
They go all day?
But they have
3 days a week?
the option
I know you see that dog.
2, 3, and 5 days.
Oh, okay.
He goes 2 days.
Two.
Yeah.
I mean, they're nice.
Hi, buddy! Oh, he's waving at me. Hi! Look, there's Benson. Say hi, Benson.
I'm
Oh,
sorry.
don't eat her food.
She loves animals. I'm sorry.
Oh, it's okay.
Easy, easy.
I'm just trying to make sure he doesn't trip anybody.
Come on. Are you done with the sandwich? Are you going to eat